here's how you can send photos from iPhone to Android in a document. So let me explain it. The thing, if it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely become part of our community so you don't miss videos and guides like this one. So it depends on what you mean by sending it as a document. Most likely you're referring to the WhatsApp group where you have either the ability to send the photo, which is going to show up right away in the chat as a photo, or you can send it as a document right here. And the difference is basically in the way you attach the image. Because when I'm typing a message and I click on the paperclip icon, I can either open up the gallery and import the photo from my Photos app, or I can go and tap on the Files app and browse the photos and the documents right here. So as you can see, I can also filter through the images right here and choose the pictures like that. And when I send that into a WhatsApp chat, it looks like a document and it doesn't look like an actual image. So if you mean that sending this from Android to iPhone, obviously WhatsApp works on all platforms. So this is the thing which you are probably referring to. However, if you mean that you have a couple of photos which you want to turn into documents and then share them, I think it's best to use some sort of PDF editor which will allow you to turn photos into PDF documents. For instance, I have an app which is called PDF Gear, and now when I go to my photos and I tap on the more options, like if I click on share on that selected image or even a few, I can pick the PDF Gear app and it's going to turn my photos into a PDF document. So using this, I can convert my images into a document as we want, right? And then share it as, I don't know, as an attachment or as through email, however you like it. But the photo is not going to be in the photo format, but in the document format. So I hope that's the thing that you had in mind. If not, let me know below in the comments. It's possible I'll make more videos about it. But for now, that's it, and I'll see you later.